Hello, good day from Sudhanshu. In this video, I will showcase how you can generate a website using Google tools of Gemini and generative technology. That is, first of all, you will have to go to this URL. I am typing this URL in the description for you to directly go and click on it. That is aistudio.google.com. Once you are on this URL, then you can just simply go to your app section and then click on create new application. Once you are here, then you need to type your prompt. That is the website that you require. Let's say mm, generate a website to show time zones and times of all 2196 countries in the world. Click on the build control section over here. Now remember, earlier the database integration wasn't there with the AI Studio and only MVP, minimum viable product was possible through AI Studio. Or if a small project was there, then the assignment could be done through aistudio.google.com. But now it has come to the light that it is full stack vibe coding platform introduced by Google. That means full backend and other resources are available to AI Studio to enable your app. Now this will generate an app. In case you have a want to store something in the database, a user action or something like that, that could also be given in the prompt and that would also be actionable. So here I had given a prompt to create a website to show time zones and times of all countries. That is 196 countries in the world. It is generating a code. Give it a time. Designing an interface as you can see over here. Once the code has been generated, enter the preview section over here. You can also view the code section. Once it is available in the preview section, then you can click on the publish button to publish it and make it online. It will be under the URL provided by Google, but then you can also put it under the custom URL, that is your own URL. For that, there are different steps that you need to take care of. So here what is happening is the code is getting generated. As you can see, earlier there was only one file. Now there are so many files. You can go to the preview section to check the preview before publishing the application. Click the preview button and here it is. So an effective website, you can have a full screen view of this by clicking on this button over here, right? And simply search for your country and its time, right? So this is how effective it can be. And if you want to generate a time zone of, let's say, Nepal, then you can simply click on Nepal and time zone of Nepal is available. Well, that's all I wanted to say. Have a good day. Bye bye. In case you want to publish this, then go to this URL and type in something as good as publish button. Publishing the app from here will make it public. Have a good day. Bye bye. You remember, you can also add the features that are presently not available by reprompting the same website. Let me showcase how it can be done. Just a moment. Before I showcase how you can publish the app, clicking the publish app button will publish this app. Okay. And if I want to have the dark web background, or let's say another feature, something like uh, show small map flag icons along with their country names. Just press the enter key and click on the prompt sending button, and it will add the small images, fetching it itself from the internet and provide it to the interface. You can view the code editing going over here. Just give it a moment and you will see that the code gets re-rendered over here. Well, the code has already got updated. Just let's preview it under the preview section. Let's refresh it. The flags are now integrated. Okay, let's refresh. Close icons that complement the typography without overriding dashboard. Okay, let's see if the flags are visible. Reduce the flag emoji. Flag emojis are presently still not visible. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna re-question the application. Flags are not visible on the interface. Okay, sending it to Google again. Going back to the default page, waiting for it to work around. Just give a moment. Remember, you can also share this application with your mates so that they can collaborate on the same project at the same time. So as you can see on the new screen, the flags of the countries are also visible. You can make this public by going to the publish button and clicking the publish app section over here. But before clicking the publish app, you need to go to the Google Cloud and enable the billing, which could be expensive and time consuming. So, well, that's a different story altogether. What you can do is you can have this application developed over here, and then you can also download it by to GitHub by going over here. Okay. Well, that's all I wanted to convey. Have a good day. Bye bye.